Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2024 Hot Wheels. And the last one we did like this had orange on it. I think it might have been orange and black. It's the Flippin' Fast from the Autistic Self-Advocacy Network. ASAN. New for 2024. This is the second version of it though. Number 103 of 250 on the year. It's from the Hot Wheels Celebration Racers, number 6 of 10. What are the Celebration Racers? Holiday-themed vehicles that celebrate cultures, inclusiveness, and other festivities all year long. And there's your special feature. It flips like a fidget spinner. And there's some other cool stuff about it when it was created in El Segundo, California. Let's get this out of the package, see how cool it is. Terrible opening, but that's okay. We don't save the package. Oh, there's some big wheels, big wheels. Oh, wow. It's decorated on both sides. Haha. Be the distraction next to you. Alright, let's see how this thing rolls. It rolls nice. Woohoo! Both directions, yes indeedy. See how it does on my track. Let's go green first, since they had it green up first. Oh, it flips over to yellow. Let's try yellow. Flips over to green. Get out of town. I don't know how I feel about it. It's a cool concept, put it that way. I like the idea. I like that they're reaching out to autism children. Thank you everybody for tuning in and checking it out. Let me know what you think about it. The Flippin' Fast from 2024. I appreciate everybody that's tuned in and checked it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Oh, see right there. Darn it! Nice, here it comes. It definitely picks up speed. Oh, nice skid at the end. I'm learning this car. This car is definitely a keeper. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Hit that like button, notification bell. Tell all your friends. Till next time. T10 out!